Okay, so the data didn't send to Firebase, and I want to show you how you can try and fix some errors, because JavaScript is notoriously difficult to find your errors. Well, it's not that bad actually, to be honest. So when I went in here and filled in my stuff, again, don't choose any correct details. Please remember that. Mail.ie, mail, and something not working. I don't know, something not working there. So if I click on that, the fact, right, not working, so right click and go inspect. And if I go in here to console, we can see uncaught syntax or unexpected token at line 42 there. You can't see that well, line 42. So if I jump back there to line 42 in my code, line 42 up here. Okay, so that looks alright. And oh, I can see here now, look at this opening bracket, and there's the one. I haven't closed off that bracket. I need to do another one there. Right, so that should be one error fixed. Let's try it again now. Put in the details again, don't put in your correct stuff. Put down here. Oh, not working. Something like that. Rather not say submit. Okay, still something not working. Now we're up to line 46. Line 46, oh, exactly the same problem here. So I copy and pasted that the last time, so close that off. That'll be that error fixed. Back in here again, same kind of rigmarole here. Don't put in any correct details. Even my name there, I should be putting in Tom Clark or something, I don't know. And then just say hello, hot water not working. And again, rather not say, down here and click the submit button. And still another error. So uncaught type error, firebase.initialize apps.function page 5 or line 15. Over here you can see, if you jump in, this is kind of saying 15, which means somewhere around line 15. Now it mightn't be exactly line 15, but somewhere around there. So in line 15, and we have this here. Oh, I think I can see it. That should be initialize app. And it's good to see this kind of stuff. So let's try one last time here. And geez, would I be confident it'll work now? I don't think so. Again, not any correct details. Tom Clark for me. And mail.ie. And then we say T Clark down here instead of B. Go back for mail there, and lights not working. Okay, so fingers crossed. Bang, submit clicked, click OK, and now it's ready to go again, even though it's not toggling. And did it go to Firebase this time? No, it didn't. So we still have an error. Join me in the next video where we can see why it's still not going to Firebase.